Hi everyone. 150 subscribers might not be many compared to a lot of channels on here. However, it means a lot to me. I would like to thank each and every one of you for clicking on the subscribe thingy me bob, wherever it is. Knowing that people take time out of their busy lives to listen to me gives me a reason to continue. To celebrate this milestone, if that's the right word, excuse is probably a better word, I bought this, my first electric guitar. I give it a twang and squirt whatever sound comes out of it on here. Thanks again. I'm well pleased with the way that sounds. Things seem to be really coming together. As always, I hope you got something out of the video. I'd really appreciate it if you liked, made a comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh, don't forget to ring that little bell thing me bob, so you get a little tickle in your pocket every time I upload a video. That's it for now. See you all soon. All that's left to say is, Evershare.